Hey friend, welcome to Gentle English, a quiet place to help you listen, relax, and slowly understand real English. If fast conversations feel hard to follow, you're not alone. Here, we take it step by step. No pressure, no rush. Just clear, simple English you can actually feel. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get started. Let's talk about something important. Understanding the main idea, even when you miss some words. This is a skill you already use in your native language. When someone speaks quickly or uses a word you don't know, you don't freeze. You guess. You feel. You understand the message, even if the details are blurry. You can do the same in English. But many learners forget this. They try to catch every single word. And when they miss one, they panic. Today, we're going to practice something different. We're going to train your brain to stay calm and focus on the big picture. Even if you miss some words, you can still understand the main idea. And that's enough. What is the main idea? Let's try this together. If I say, I didn't sleep well last night, so I'm feeling a little off today. You might not know the word off, but from the rest of the sentence, you can guess. I didn't sleep, so now I feel probably tired. Not great. A little off. That's the main idea. You don't need to know every word. You just need to listen for clues. The mood. The tone. The context. We'll practice this together today. Practice round, guess the feeling. I'll say a short sentence. Try to guess the main idea. Don't worry if you miss a word. Just feel the emotion. Sentence 1. I just got some great news. I can't stop smiling. What's the feeling? Happy. Excited. Joyful. Sentence 2. Ugh, traffic again. I'm already late. What's the feeling? Frustrated. Rushed. Maybe a little anxious. Sentence 3. Yeah. I'm fine. Listen again. Yeah. I'm fine. What do you think they really mean? Not really fine. Maybe tired or upset. Sometimes it's not the words. It's the voice, the rhythm, the feeling behind the words. You're already doing this in your language. Now you're learning to do it in English. Main idea from a story. Let's listen to a short story. First, just listen. Don't worry about understanding every word. Story, natural speed. So I went to the store to get some milk, right? And I saw this huge line. Turns out, everyone had the same idea. It was kind of funny, but also really annoying. Took me 20 minutes just to grab one thing. What's the main idea? The speaker went to the store. It was crowded. It took a long time. Even if you missed words like turns out or annoying, you still got the point. Now let's do it again, but slower. Story, slow version. I went to the store to get some milk. But I saw a huge line. Everyone had the same idea. It was kind of funny, but also annoying. It took me 20 minutes to get one thing. Let's say the main idea together. I went to the store. It was crowded. It took a long time. Good. What if you miss a word? Let's say you hear someone say, I was gonna call you, but my phone died. Maybe you don't know the word gonna or died. But can you still guess the meaning? Let's try. I was call you, but my phone. Try to fill it in. I was going to call you, but my phone stopped working. Even if you miss words, you can often guess from context. And even if your guess isn't perfect, it's okay. That's how listening improves. Sentence fragments, practice guessing. Let's do some fun practice. I'll say a sentence, but stop before the end. You try to guess what might come next. Fragment 1. She was so tired, she fell asleep early. Couldn't focus. Needed a nap. Fragment 2. I didn't bring an umbrella, and then it started raining. I got wet. I ran for cover. Fragment 3. He looked at me and said, What are you doing here? Thank you. I'm sorry. The exact answer doesn't matter. What matters is your brain is thinking in English. Guessing. Predicting. Understanding the idea. Mini story, 3 speeds. Let's do one more listening story. 3 speeds, slow, medium, and natural. Slow speed. This morning, I went outside and saw snow. It was quiet. Everything was white. I stood there, just looking, for a long time. Medium speed. This morning, I went outside and saw snow. It was quiet. Everything was white. I stood there, looking, for a long time. Natural speed. This morning I went outside and saw snow. It was quiet. Everything was white. I stood there just looking, for a long time. What's the main idea? The speaker went outside. It was snowing. It was peaceful. Even if you missed some words, you felt the meaning. final reflection and encouragement. Learning to catch the main idea is powerful. It means you don't freeze when you miss a word. You stay present. You keep listening. You trust yourself. You don't need to understand every detail. Just enough. That's real listening. And you're doing it. Say this with me. I don't need to be perfect. I can guess the meaning. I can catch the main idea. I trust my ears. One more time. I trust my ears. You're doing better than you think. Keep going. Thanks for spending this quiet time with me. Remember, every small step you take makes a difference. Keep listening. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or come back anytime for more gentle English. Until next time, take care of your ears and take care of yourself.